Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make your TikTok account private. Having a private TikTok account will prevent other users from following you without your permission. When someone wants to follow you, you will need to approve them as a follower before they will be able to see your content. Follow these steps and you will find out how to do it. Go to your TikTok profile tab and click on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Tap the privacy and safety. Here, toggle the slider to the right next to private account. Keep in mind that when the slider turns green, you have made your account private. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make your TikTok account private. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.